Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the perfect DIY mask for that healthy looking glowing skin. This is the mask that I opted when I started my early 11th standard, and this is like I followed this mask around 2 years, and this really gives a great benefit. I use this mask every 15 days once or 20 days once, and this is an amazing mask. All skin types people can also use this mask. So before getting into the video, I just want all of you to subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell on so that you guys will be notified whenever I post another video. So yeah, without wasting further time, let's dive right into the video. The first step is to cleanse your face. For cleansing my face, I'm using the Mama Earth Vitamin C face wash. Why you have to opt Vitamin C face wash? Because it contains things that helps in enhancing your skin complexion and glowing and gives that results. So you have to opt those vitamin C ranges. So yeah, just apply in circular motion for 30 to 40 seconds. The next step is to prepare a face mask, which is a very important step and gives that results for this process. So in order to prepare the face mask, I'm using the orange peel powder from Alps Goodness. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. To this, I'm going to mix around half a tablespoon of light kaolin powder. This is from also the Good Vibes. So 1 tablespoon of light kaolin powder. Then I'm going to mix the pure pomegranate powder that I have prepared, the raw pomegranate peel powder. So 1 tablespoon of pomegranate peel powder. So in order to mix all of these ingredients, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of curd. So I'm applying this mask evenly all over my face. Orange peel powder helps in getting glowing skin, lighten your skin tone, unclog pores, and also treats pimples and acne. Light kaolin powder is great for ultimate glow and soothes sensitive skin. Pomegranate peel powder is rich in vitamin C, helps in improvising dull and dry skin, and also it helps in reducing skin roughness. Curd contains lactic acid that helps in shedding away dead skin cells and also helps in treating wrinkles and early signs of aging. It helps in moisturizing your skin, making your skin soft and supple. So I'll leave this mask around 20 minutes and then I'll be washing it off with cold water. So I just washed my face. My face looks super fresh and I just love what my skin looks. So yeah, in order to pack all of these process, I'm going to use a moisturizer. I'm going to use the Pond Light Moisturizing Cream and I'm going to apply all over my face to lock up this process. So these were the few steps to be followed for getting that radiating, healthy looking skin. And this is a very good DIY mask that you can opt for. So yeah, if you all like this video, please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel and also press that notification bell on. Until then, see you all in the next video. Bye.